such as a game or anything on maybe a movie, something like that, including YouTube. But you can turn those down, mute them right here, control all of that right there. So the first thing we're going to do is create a new scene and then get started with adding some sources to that. So right here over by scenes, go ahead and select the plus symbol to add a new scene. I'm going to name it Gauging Gadgets. Press done. So now that the scene has been created, we need to go over and add a source, and we'll do that by pressing the plus symbol right here next to sources. As you can see, you have two different types of sources. You have standard and you have widgets. Standard is going to be the building blocks of your stream, such as webcams, any game you want to stream, your desktop, browsers, text, images, things like that. Widgets over here will be actual Streamlabs widgets. So these can add a lot of really cool things to your stream, such as way to interact with your viewers live, or show live information about your stream, such as how many viewers or subscribers you have. All that's going to be available over here, and I'll have individuals tutorials going over those. But as you can see, you could viewer count or chat box, different things like that that'll monitor your stream and provide updated information on your stream. First source we're going to add though is going to be display capture, because I want to be able to show my desktop on my stream. After you selected display capture, go ahead and select add source. You can name it and then select add new source. Down here in the drop down, if you had multiple monitors, you want to select your monitor right here and then select done. So as you can see right here in the preview box, we've now added our desktop to the preview. So you can see that now. This is what the live stream will look like. The next source we're going to add is a webcam. I'm going to do a webcam, so I'll be selecting video capture, but you'd also use this for any kind of capture cards. If you're going to stream an Xbox or PS4, anything like that, you would do that through video capture device. Go ahead and select add source and then add new source. Right here we can
I will put my cheese with this one. Huh? Uy. What? Start already?
select a different webcam or capture card, anything like that, and then make changes to that actual device. I'm going to be using my secondary webcam because I'm using my first one to film this video. So please excuse it, it looks a little strange. Go ahead and select done. And right here we can see the source on our preview right here. We can move it around by dragging and dropping it. I'm going to put it in the bottom right. And then we can resize it by grabbing the corners down here. So I'll make it a little smaller. So now we kind of have a stream going. We have the desktop and we have a webcam. Next, let's look through the different sources, and I'm going to add a text source. But before that, I want to tell you what each of these are. So image and image slideshow, there's going to add an image or a slideshow of images. And we have browser source. This is what you would use to add anything from your browser. So if you're watching a video in a browser, or you want to show a website, anything like that, you would do that through there. Display capture, we've gone through that. Game capture, this is where you, if you're playing a game on your PC, you can use this source to capture that game and put it on your stream. Audio input, that's a microphone. If you have anything like that, like I have a Blue Yeti, I'm using that. Scene, if you already have a scene saved down here, you can actually import that into your source. Pretty cool. Color would just be adding a color panel to your stream. Media source is going to be any video file, image file, anything like that. Text, we'll get into that. That's just adding a text to your stream. Window capture will be any application on your computer, so you could do Spotify or anything like that, even browsers. Video capture device, webcam capture card, or audio output, which is just your desktop audio. So we'll go to the text source right here to add a quick text, just so you can see how you can make your stream unique. Then we'll go to add source. You can name the source. Under the settings for the text source, this is where the preview is right here. Then we can add some text under the text box. So I'm going to do gauging gadgets. I'm going to change the font to Comic Sans because that's the best font. Make it nice and bold. We can change the font size, make it a little bigger. And then we can change the color here. I'm going to go with a nice blue. All right, so after that, you have some of the alignment, maybe background. You can add a background to the text. But I'm done with the text. And as you can see right here, we have the text box created. We can move it around or make it larger. I'm going to make it nice and large so people know they're on the Gauging Gadget stream. And for my final source, I'm just going to add a viewer count. So this will allow my stream to show exactly how many viewers are watching it. Just go down. and we could do add source. So it's really easy to add this. As you can see, there's a preview right here. Once you have it configured, just click back to Streamlabs and you'll see it right here in the corner. I'm going to add it right here so it's easy to see. And now once we have all of our sources and scenes configured, we just need to go to the bottom right of Streamlabs, and I moved the window so you can see it around my webcam, and go to Go Live. It gives you another option to add a title, description, engaging gadgets, test. Once we're ready, go to Confirm and Go Live. So right here you can see it says starting the stream, and now it says live. It also gives us the health of the stream, and then we can actually see what the stream looks like. So you can see everything that we configured in the stream, such as the text, my webcam down here, even what the desktop looks like. So that's my browser window, all that. And then on the dashboard here, we can see how long we've been live streaming and the amount of viewers we have. Now, if we go back to Streamlabs OBS, you'll be able to see different milestones or events that happen to you. So when people subscribe, things like that. You can also see the chat going on YouTube. And to end our stream, all we need to do is go to End Stream right here in the bottom right. Click that. Now, when we go back to YouTube, we'll see this live go to offline. Like it did right there. So now our stream has ended. That's how you start a YouTube live stream using Streamlabs OBS.
Live?
You're already live.
Live?
You're already live.
Really?
While you are setting,
Hmm.
you can watch it.
Error, YouTube is not error site. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain
What?
video.
You go back first.
Hello.
What is the thing?
Hello friends. We are here now again today. Live stream. You can join with us. And you can enjoy. Something is wrong here. It's saying error. I'm not sure what is that.
I think you can make it.
Cannot edit. Cannot edit. Pen. Where's the pen? Where's the pen? Extreme. Camera can't be accessed because it's a